So Microsoft just open sourced the tool that half of PhD students have been secretly wishing existed. You give it one research problem, one line, and it goes off, reads the literature, finds the gap, checks nobody's done it before, and hands you back a full research idea card. With citations, I've been playing with it for a couple days now. This is ResearchStudio. Here's the landing page, 2 halves. ResearchStudio IDEA handles what they call the first mile from a research problem to an idea that can survive a reviewer. And ResearchStudio Real handles the last mile, paper to poster, video, blog. Real isn't out yet though. So today we're talking about IDEA. Now, the interesting part, this is not an app. There's no website to sign into. It's a skill suite that plugs straight into Claude Code or Codex. 3 skills, paper search, which searches 6 academic databases at once. Scoop check, which tells you if your novel idea already exists. And IdeaSpark, the big one that chains everything end to end. Install is genuinely one line. npx, GitHub, Microsoft, ResearchStudio, pick your agent, done. It just drops the skills into your project. You need Python 3.10+, and they recommend a frontier model, Opus 4.6 or better. But here's what makes this different from just asking ChatGPT for ideas. They took 1,947 papers from ICLR, ICML, and NeurIPS, orals, high citation papers, and this is the clever bit, rejected submissions too. And they distilled how good papers are actually born into 15 reusable ideation patterns. Things like characterize the limit, then surpass it.
Your idea gets built on those patterns, not on vibes.
Okay, demos. Real runs my machine, nothing staged. First paper search. I asked for KV cache compression papers 2024 to 2026. It hits Archive, Semantic Scholar, OpenAlex, OpenReview, Crossref, and DBLP in parallel, dedupes, and gives you one clean list. 5 seconds later, papers I genuinely didn't know existed. Mosaic KV, Poly KV, Dynamic KV, each with authors, year, venue, link as a literature review starting point. This alone is worth the install. Second demo, and honestly my favorite, scoop check. You give it your idea, and it tries to prove you've been scooped. I fed it one from their own README, a calibrated per token early exit rule for faster LLM inference. Sounds novel, right? It ran 3 different searches, pulled 24 papers, and then it remembered Calm. A NeurIPS 2022 paper. Verdict level 2, high overlap. 3 of the 4 axes of that idea. Already in KOMM. And look at this. It doesn't just say you're scooped. It writes the exact delta sentence you'd need to defend what's left. That's the difference between a search tool and a reviewer sitting next to you. And then the flagship IdeaSpark. 1/command, one problem statement. It grounds itself in the literature, finds the bottleneck, picks an ideation pattern, drafts the idea, runs that same scoop check against it, audits, revises, and renders a PDF idea card, title, motivation, method. The whole pipeline is maybe 20 minutes of it just working. And the cards it produces are genuinely fun to read. This one gives a text to video model, an internal conserved charge, physics that holds by construction, no external simulator. This one rederives rope frequencies from a rate distortion rule. Every load-bearing claim either traces back to a retrieved paper, or it's flagged as model supplied. No silent hallucinations. Does it actually beat just asking the model directly? They tested on 100 ICLR 2026 oral problem seeds against Opus 4.8 Bear, Opus self-generate, and GPT 5.5 idea. Spark lands top on quality while staying just as novel. And on the domain radar, it's the outermost line on all 21 research areas. Blind judges but worth saying LLM judges. So what I like, the evidence grounding is real. Claims traced to actual papers. Scoop check alone will save somebody a wasted semester. The pattern taxonomy is built from rejections too, so it knows what failure looks like. And it's MIT licensed. The whole thing. What I don't, it leans on free academic APIs. I got rate limited and even hit a 500 error from Semantic Scholar mid-demo. I also hit a Unicode crash on Windows on day 1. It's week 1 software, and it shows you need Claude Code or Codex, so there's no standalone app. The evals are LLM judged, take them with salt, And real, the half I'm most excited about is still coming soon. Who's this for? PhD students at the "what do I even work on" stage, advisors triaging 20 half ideas, and honestly anyone writing a related work section who's scared of reviewer 2. If that's you, the repo's linked below. That's ResearchStudio, papers on archive, codes on GitHub, both links below. If you want me to run IdeaSpark live on your research problem, drop it in the comments. I'm Prompt Engineer, and I'll see you in the next one.